Rufus boy, let me love boy, I just know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, I just know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, I just know. Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. Caught up in my tape. I miss you in the basement. But your brother was a good substitute for you.
When I walked into church this evening, I was so surprised. This is the first time for Ladies' Night. We had so many people, especially people who have come for the first time. And you can see they all enjoyed themselves and they've been touched by the Lord. Amazing night tonight.
Tonight's service was awesome. We came along, it was great. Hopefully you guys get encouraged from every seat.
Oh, it was absolutely awesome. It was amazing to see all these women here gathering and to hear all the beautiful testimonies and the stories and telling about God's greatness and His goodness. We really felt the presence of God in this place. I love being here. It's the first time that I've been here, but it's totally amazing. And it's not just the word that was awesome, like a delicious bowl of food, but it was also the food we got here afterwards. Wow, there's something about you Indian guys, you can cook. Curry was great. Thank you so much for having me. Be blessed. We are going home. We are nurtured in spirit, soul, and body. You guys, you rock. This is a great church.
I really enjoyed tonight's evening. It was just amazing to hear inspirational stories of how God has moved in women's lives, and just connecting with the sisters has been a fantastic experience. Powerful message from Pastor Alice. Thank you so much for inspiring and influencing us.
It was awesome. It was very good. I really enjoyed today. Yeah, and the word of God is also very nice. And I really enjoyed. बहुत सारी बहनें आई, प्रभु का वचन को सुने और good to see न्यूजीलैंड all these things. हम लोग इंडिया में तो करते ही हैं हर समय, लेकिन अच्छा है कि न्यूजीलैंड में सब चीज़ें देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा कि बहनें प्रभु में बढ़ रही हैं.
I really enjoyed the worship. I love seeing all the youth up on stage, full of the Spirit of God, which is just so inspiring. I actually think my church is very boring in comparison. I loved the panel. It was great being a part of it. I really enjoyed Pastor Alice's little speech about get up and move and walk and clear the mess. I definitely relate to that. And yeah, just the hospitality of everyone here. It's just been so wonderful. You have an awesome church, and yeah, God is in the house. It's awesome.